Hello everyone, I'm so happy to be here with you today on the Not Too Shabby channel. So I stamped and colored that cute girl, and this is the stamp of the month, and it's called, I believe, Orchard Days is what it's called. And we're using some beautiful pattern paper from the Apple Days pattern paper pack, and this is the Paper Pad Club of the Month. And I'm also using the Stamp of the Month Club of the Month. And there is also ephemera, so you can get it all, the paper pads, the stamp, and the ephemera, and save money that way. I really, really love this month, and I did stamp some images from the stamp of the month, and I used my brother's scan and cut, and I've been complaining about this brother's scan and cut, and it's not as bad as I thought it was. I had to reuse it again. So here I am using an oval die, and I'm going to cut my background paper to be 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And I am just going to make a background for my girl there, and I did use my brother's scan and cut to cut out the cut aparts that are in the paper pack, which is awesome. I do love it when there's cut aparts. So that little pretty piece up there is so pretty, and I am so happy my brother's scan and cut recognized it and didn't chop it up or cut it up, right? So I'm gonna find a sentiment to go with this background here. I do love that red wood. Do you do your wood portrait or landscape? I get different views on that. I have gotten told before. So I'm just curious. And so now I do it this way. So I am just looking for what else can I add to this card. And I'm thinking she's going through that pretty ephemera piece there, and she has her apples she just picked, and lately I've been trying to envision little scenes here, so I think that's really pretty. And I'm going to add picked just for you. And this month I just love it. It's so fall fantastic. And I love apples, and I wish I could go pick some apples and make some apple pie or some apple cider or something coffee with apple. That would be so nice. But for now, I'm just going to dream and play with these products. And I hope you will grab them. They're just really, really pretty. And I'm using some Memento Ladybug Dewdrop ink for my sentiment. And I was going for all the reds and greens this month, so I really love that. And I'm just trying to play around and see how this card can come together to be very cute and pretty. And I'm gonna have to color up her plaid shirt a different color. I do love jeans. I'm always in my jeans. Gotta have that jean jacket, my jeans, and I love I have my jean skirt. I love I love boots. Yeah, I really want to be a country girl. So I am just looking for my foam tape or foam strip and seeing what I can pop up here, and I'm just going to pop up my sentiment, and then I will put this card together. So What is your favorite this month? Have you seen the box of the month? Like I said, this is the Paper Pad Club, and it has the stamp of the month and ephemera. So really, really nice. Yeah, so I'm excited. I always love everything that Not Too Shabby has every month. So just going to stick in that little area for her to go through. I'm going to add that pretty cut apart, and that's the paper on the back side of that. So I only cut out 2 of those so that I could save 2 sheets. So if there's extras, I would grab it because really pretty cut aparts, and sometimes Jamie has extra paper pads from the subscription, so check those out, and I will have what I listed down below for you. And I did color up the girl with my Copic markers, and I had fun coloring her up. And like I said, I want to try a different color, so we will see. I do have like a blue plaid scarf, so I was thinking maybe put her in blue, so we will see. Of course, I love my green, and I always see different plaid flannels that I always say I need, so who knows which one I will get this year. I'm hoping for a green one. And that is it. So I'm just going to glue my panel to my card base, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And I have my sparkling enamel dots there, but I am not going to use them for this card after all. So since I stamped some leaves, I'm just going to add those leaves. And I'm also going to decorate the inside this time. So I have this pretty strip that I thought would be fun to match the inside, which I don't do enough, but this was just like the perfect strip that I just had to. And I thought I'll add some ephemera to the inside as well. And I was looking for my scissors to cut off this little piece there hanging off the edge, and now I will just see what ephemera piece I want to put inside. There's a cute little critter, so I thought about that from the cut aparts. So let me see, I have these leaves, so here I'm looking for the leaves so I can add them to my card. And so I'm just using my Copic markers here, just a couple green markers, and I can list them below if you like. Sometimes greens are tricky, and I'm trying to think what color should I put the leaves. And I love that there's lots of inspiration from the paper. And so I am just going to add those, since I stamped those on my cardstock, my white cardstock with the girl, and I used my brother's scanning cut to cut the leaves, but I fussy cut her because I didn't want any problems with my machine. And the leaves, I can take it if it didn't do it well, but cutting her, no, I didn't want to do that. So I'm trying to see, should I put 2 leaves on the front cover and 1 inside, but I thought that might look weird, so I'm just going to put the 3 leaves in place of my sparkling enamel dots, and because everything's better in odds. And then I will just add an ephemera piece to the inside. And that will finish this card. So I think it's really fun, and I like this little scene, and I think it'd be cute to send off in the mail to someone. So we will see who I will send. If I can get, lately getting mail out is like harder lately. I don't know why, but I'm hoping to send this out. So looking through my ephemera piece, and I loved that hay. It was the first one that kind of fell out, and I was like, could I find anything that size and that would be just as great for the inside? Like that crate would be good too. But I love the hay because of the bow. I thought it matched the paper really well. So there it is. So that is my card. So thank you for joining me and have a wonderful day.